Let's solve this question together. It says 3 raised to power m minus 2 raised to power m is equal to 65. We're going to solve for m in this question. Okay, how do you go about this? The first thing we can do here is to say that let us do something here. If we say a number, if you have a number 2 over 2, 2 over 2 is equal to 1, right? So these are the equivalence fraction, 2 over 2. The numerator and the denominator are equal. Let's now say, let's multiply each power here. So let's multiply each power here by 2 over 2. So we see 3 raised to power m multiplied by what? 2 over 2. It's minus 2 raised to power m multiplied by 2 over 2 is equal to 65. Okay? Basically, we multiply with anything. So that's why we're not bothered of what happened on this side. Alright? Now, you can now say again that we can put m and 2 as 1 and shift out these 2. So we have 3 raised to power m over 2, alright, multiplied by 2 minus 2 raised to power m over 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 65. Alright? Now, observing closely, you can see that this 2 is outside. Now let me state something quickly. When you have a raised to power m multiplied by n, it's equal to a raised to power m raised to the power of n. Alright, this is a law of indices, right? Applying this law here, okay, so applying the law here, we would have that this is now 3 to the power of what? M over 2 raised to the power of what? 2 minus 2 to the power of what? M over 2 raised to the power of what? 2 is equal to 65. Okay, so here we now have that let's call 3 raised to the power m over 2 to be equal to x, and 2 raised to the power of m over 2 to be equal to y. So we'll go ahead and replace this for x and this for y in this equation. Okay. Moving on from here, we can use the law of difference of two squares to solve this, so that we have that this is x plus y multiplied by x minus y to be equal to 65. Okay, now 65, let's look at the multiples of 65 for example. 65 is equal to 65 times 1 is equal to 13 times 5. Okay, so these are the only multiples of 65 we have. Now we can go ahead and check if x and y are positive integers or positive numbers. X plus y should be greater than x minus y. Okay, if that is the case, we're going to now apply this law here in picking this number. So we have that x plus y should be 65, x minus y should be 1. So we have x plus y is equal to 65 for the first condition, and x minus y is 1. And we're looking for whole numbers, remember. If we add these two equations together, we have that 2x is equal to 66, x is equal to 33. Okay, now putting 33 as x here, we have that y will be equal to 32. Okay, now remember we're looking for whole numbers, but let's keep this aside. Also, when we have x plus y to be equal to 13 for this one, and x minus y to be equal to 5, again, if you add this up, this is 2x, this is 0, and this is 18, x is equal to 9, okay, and y will now be equal to, put x as 9 here, you have 4. Let's bring back what we had. We said that 3 raised to the power of m over 2 is equal to x, and 2 raised to the power of m over 2 is equal to y. Okay, now remember, for the first scenario, we have that x is 33. Now, you cannot express 33 as an index in base 3. Because you cannot express 33 as an index in base 3, you're going to get a decimal or complex number. Because of this, we will say that this one cannot be done. So, for this first condition, we cannot use these numbers, substitute for x and y. For y, maybe because 32 can be expressed in the base of 2. But 33 cannot be expressed in the base of 3, so we'll leave that one. Let's go to this other one. We have 9. We now have 9 to be equal to 3 squared. So 3 raised to power m over 2 is equal to 3 squared. If you equate the powers, we have m over 2 to be equal to 2, hence m here is equal to 4. On the other hand, we have 2 raised to power m over 2 is equal to what? 4, which is 2 squared. Now we have 2 strikes 2, so that we have n over 2 to be equal to 2, and m again is equal to 4. Meaning that for this condition, it is valid that m is equal to 4. Thanks for watching, guys. If you made this to the end, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.